Hey guys, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to get the verification code in Archero 2 when redeeming rewards. It's super simple, so let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to the Archero 2 redemption page. You'll see three fields there: your game ID, your reward code, and the verification code section. Now, here's where most players get confused. The verification code isn't something you get by email or inside the game. It actually shows up right on the redemption page, usually on the right side or sometimes just below the box. All you have to do is type that code exactly as shown into the verification code field. Then, you can go ahead and redeem your rewards. Sometimes though, you might see a broken image icon instead of the code. Don't panic, just refresh the page. That'll usually load a brand new verification code and you'll be good to go. And that's it, guys. Now you know exactly where to find the verification code and how to claim your Archero 2 rewards without any confusion. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit like, maybe subscribe, and stick around for more quick Archero tips.